Harvest.
It's going down the way.
Yeah.
I'm along the bottom of the field in a minute.
Harvest 2020.
That'll do the end rigs.
Aye, headlands, yeah. What are we doing with that holly bush?
That's Stuart.
Alright.
Never mind that, he's missed two bloody things. I've caught myself on it.
Oh gosh.
This metal spikes, watch them.
Aye. John Deere. Combine. Is that a Fendt tractor? I think it is. Look at that Fendt tractor. Oh, that's it. This field's rather large, this field. Good to see some combine. They've been harvesting a lot of our fields. Where's that? Stupid. This is much better. It's a big John Deere. It's one of those, like, cars, what it's called.
Way down there, is he?
He's still in the end rigs. I'll have to move those so I could have a wee perch in there. I did see the Fendt. I don't know where it's going. I'll find the fence off to get the trailer.
Yeah.
Doing the drawing hauling. I don't get much view here, but then I'll get view if I...
You'll get it coming up there, but you'll get it over the other side to come.
Yeah. Oh. He's reversing. That's not...
This is still warm.
Well, that. I wouldn't be surprised because it's just like lobbed about 10 tons of wood in there.
Yep.
It's not...
more this way.
I think it's doing that bit for the end. Or is he straw dropping that? Or is he chopping it? Probably both. Well, it'll be either one.
You'll be able to tell him when he's gone past.
Aye. It's like one of those Homemaster combines.
Aye.
So like, for like the way the movement of the like ground it, the header will go that direction, but the combine will stay level. Which I think is pretty cool engineering from John Deere. When's he burning all this?
Soon.
Ah.
He's reversing back again.
Huh?
He's reversing back again.
I think it's maybe... what's he doing? What are you doing? Oh, well, you're changing the colour again?
Yeah.
Why?
I like the
Ah,
And
crap.
I've got grey. So, yeah.
What I could do is I could go down and go to the
Other side.
yeah, other side. I need to move all this wood so I can actually get in and out. Because I'll be back here very soon. There we go. Where's that combine gone? It's gone down there. Yeah, this is massive. Takes about maybe 5 minutes from there to the top there. Not alone, like all the way down there to all the way up there. Yeah. Big field like. We'll go to collect a lorry, sorry there. And there goes the combine. He'll be back. He will be back. I think he's. So, tomorrow's Monday, I'll be back at school, so hopefully they don't take long with this. Hopefully my phone percentage can last this. Gone. You can just see the door. Aye, it is. I know, what I'll do is, I'll quickly give my phone a quick top up, right? And then when you hear the combine get louder, you knock on my window and then I'll come back.
Yes, boss.
Alright.